I'm in a gaming mood. Are you sure? Yep. I am sure. So, there it goes. Shutting itself down. It's down there. Okay. Get the water going like that. Well, it should come up with the OS selection screen anytime now. There we go. There's our OS selector. That's a pretty good selection screen. I really like the Max boot menu. It's pretty nice. Compared to some of the other stuff I've seen. Just looks good how it has an icon for all these stuff. For boot menus. And I believe if there was a disk in the computer that you could boot to, I believe that also shows up there. So basically that's the boot menu for the boot devices. Come on. Uh-oh, it's frozen. Oh, there it goes. All right. Are we ready yet? Oh, the battery thing down there kind of glitched out. I think it's ready.